I go more into details with things that I was able to manifest, such as unexpected checks from credit card that I didn't even remember that I had opened, and so forth. But the main point here that I wanted to take is, hi there, my name is Kelly, and today we are exploring how to make the most of the manifestation power so you can manifest the life you desire. I know it sounds redundant, right? But it's exactly what it is. So let's dive in. As you probably already know, manifestation is not just about wishing for something to appear in our lives and calling it a day. It's actually an active process that requires clarity, focus, and a deep understanding of ourselves and the universe, or the laws of the universe. So today we are going a bit deeper into one of my favorite ones, or one of my favorite laws, the law of attraction. Probably you already heard. So yes, we are doing this again. So what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is essentially a universal principle that suggests that like attracts like. In simple terms, it means that the energy you put out into the universe, whether positive or negative, will attract similar energy back to you. And this concept is based on the idea that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs create our reality. Indeed, they do. If you focus on positive thoughts and visualize your goals, you're more likely to attract positive outcomes. So this principle has gained popularity in recent years, thanks in part to books like The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. But I'd go even deeper where it started, with the teachings of Abraham Hicks almost 40 years ago. So those teachings offer various anecdotes and insights into how individuals have successfully manifested their desires. And the key to understanding the law of attraction is to recognize that your mindset and emotional state play a deep, significant role in shaping your experiences. Yes, indeed. So, in terms of real-life examples of manifestation, there are countless stories of individuals who have successfully manifested their desires through the law of attraction. As you probably already know, you might be even one of those people. For example, many successful entrepreneurs credit their achievements to a strong belief in their vision, along with consistent practice of positive thinking. So we talked about positive thinking, affirmations, visualization, and also we talked about the concept of autosuggestion by Napoleon Hill in the book Think and Grow Rich. This is just one example. But celebrities and public figures often share how visualization techniques helped them achieve their dreams, whether it's be landing a dream role or achieving financial independence, such as Jim Carrey, Oprah Winfrey, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and Sarah Blakey, the Spanx CEO. I myself gave several examples of mine through my videos, including money, manifestation of money, and other types of abundance I was able to manifest through the past 2 to 3 years, especially as I was going through the process of spiritual awakening. So if you watched my previous videos, I go more into details with things that I was able to manifest, such as unexpected checks from credit card that I didn't even remember that I had opened, and so forth. But the main point here that I wanted to take is, by aligning your thoughts and feelings with your goals, you create a powerful vibrational match that can attract the circumstances necessary for your aspirations to become a reality. And who talks a lot about that is Abraham Hicks. Well, Esther Hicks, through the teachings of Abraham Hicks. And there are some others as well, such as Bashar, Dr. Joe Dispenza, but he talks about the quantum field and so forth. But you know the fun part here? There is also a science behind all that. While we mostly view the law of attraction as a metaphysical or spiritual idea, well, I prefer to see this way. Scientific studies in psychology and quantum physics also provide compelling evidence for its principles, which I think is amazing, especially for those who don't believe in those ideas. For example, the reticular activating system, RAS, which we talked about in a past video, in our brains, filters out information based on what we think is important. In other words, when you focus on a goal or desire, your RAS becomes more attuned to opportunities and information related to that goal. And this is why positive thinking can increase our awareness of opportunities that align with our intentions. Also, if we think through the quantum field lens, it introduces the concept of energy and vibration, suggesting that everything in the universe, including our thoughts and feelings, is made up of energy. And again, who talks extensively about the quantum field is Dr. Joe Dispenza. So he uses the quantum field as a way of explaining the law of attraction and how we can manifest what we want when we are vibrating in a high vibration in the quantum field. But the main point here is by raising your vibrational frequency through positive thoughts and feelings, you align yourself with the higher vibrational frequencies of your desires, making it easier to attract them into your life. So, in the end, manifestation is a potent process that, when approached with intention and clarity, can lead to profound transformations in our lives. But remember that this journey is unique to you, and it requires patience, practice, and willingness to embrace changes. As you navigate this path of manifestation, keep in mind that you need to believe that you are the co-creator of your reality. Remember that you are creating with the universe. So, my final word here is for you to trust in the process and allow your journey to unfold naturally. There is no rush here. Don't forget to surround yourself with positivity, seek inspiration, and take actionable steps toward your goals. Better yet, inspired action. So trust that with this commitment and perseverance, you will attract the life you wish to live, without a shadow of a doubt. So, this is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.